Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a username to your Tinder profile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your main profile page where you can view and edit your information. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which is your settings menu. Go ahead and tap on this gear icon to access your account settings and customization options. Now you'll need to scroll down through the settings menu until you locate the web profile section. This section contains settings related to how your profile appears and can be shared outside of the app. Take your time scrolling through until you find it, as there are quite a few options in the settings menu. Within the web profile section, you'll see an option labeled username. Tap on this option to proceed. This is where you'll be able to create a unique username that others can use to find your profile more easily. Having a username makes it simpler to share your Tinder profile with potential matches through other platforms or direct links. Next, you'll see a text field where you can input your desired username. Type in the username you want to use for your Tinder profile. Make sure to choose something memorable and appropriate that represents you well. Once you've entered your username, tap the confirm button to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a username to your Tinder profile, making it easier for others to find and connect with you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.